Hi and welcome to another edition of 3 Simple Steps by Basics. And let's start off with the legs first. So with the legs, what we're going to do is we're going to lean, and as we lean, we lift up the knee. This time I'm lifting up my right knee first. Lift up the knee, but the toe is still on the floor, if you notice. As I lean, I bend my left knee. Bend and lift, so you get that extra angle to lean. If you don't bend your knee, you cannot lean far. Alright, let's try that. From the right, leaning to the left. So I'm lifting up my right knee. And then we lean right. Lifting up the left knee. Toe is still on the floor. How do we do this? Right, left, right, right? Let's try it. Right. Remember to bend your knees. Left, bend, lift. And then we go right. And you see I stand back up and lean again. Right. When I say right, I mean the knee that I'm lifting is the right knee. And when I say left, the knee that I'm lifting is the left knee. It's not the way I'm leaning. Hope that's not confusing you. Okay, let's try that again. Go right, left, right, and right. And then we're going to stand up. And then we go left, right, left, and left. So the hands are not going to be like this. I'm just doing this to balance out. The hands are going to be a push motion. Just imagine you're holding a wall and you're pushing against that wall so that when you lean, it looks like a nice lean as you push against something. We're going to try for the hands. Let's just try the hands from here. It's just you're gonna put your palm. You're just gonna put your palm to your shoulder height, and you don't have to face it out like that. Of course, just naturally leave it. Let's try that from here. Go push, and then back, and then you lift this hand, push, and then back. So what do I do with the other hand? I just leave it down. Most of the times when I'm not doing anything with my hands, I'm just holding the bone of the pants like this. So push, 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 and push. Okay, so this motion itself is me just leaning without bending the knees. So look what happens when I bend the knees and I push. I get the extra angle. If you don't get that angle at this point, it's okay. As long as you get a slight lean, it's still going to look good. Just lean a little bit, it still looks good. The more you practice, the more you learn how to balance, how to find the center of balance for your own body. So I hope that when you dance, or when you pick up these dance steps or these dance skills, you will learn a lot more about finding a balance within your body, where's the center of the balance, and how do you coordinate right and left. Okay, I hope this helps you, and please, please, please don't ever give up trying, don't ever give up practicing. Keep practicing, it will make you, it will help you get better. Alright, so let's go on with the steps. We're still at step 1. We're going to go right, this time is together with the legs. See where my hand is? This other hand is not doing anything. I'm just holding on to my thigh. Right, back, then left, right, and right. Notice that when I pull it back here, you don't have to fully straighten out this knee. Okay, so let's try on the left side right now. So we go left, right, left, and left. This bend here on this knee helps you with the angle again. Okay, so let's try it with count slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's for step 1. We're going to go into step 2 right now. And step 2 is a spin. It's essentially a spin. So what I did, what we're going to learn here is we're going to step out first. Okay, step out with the right foot. This is my right foot. And after I step that out, I'm going to just swing my hands to open up a door. Imagine step, swing, and step, and step. And after that step, I'm going to hit this down. Okay, as I stomp this down, I'm going to clap. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to go back with the same steps. Step, open, step, and clap. When you put your foot down, the first foot, in this case, is the right foot. After you've put your foot down, you're just going to bring your left foot over this way. It's not backwards. You let your toes lead to the other side of yourself. So let's try that. Step and turn, and then now you're going to bring your heel back. Okay, this is your heel. Your right heel is going to go back, and you're going to step. You're going to end up facing forward again. All right, so let's go back to the other way. We step with our left foot now. Step, and then we use our right toes to lead to this step, and we use our left heel to lead back so that you can face forward again. Now if you want to make it look bigger, what I do is I swing the hands out like I said earlier. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the hand movement. Start with the right leg again. Heel down. 1, and left foot or left toes lead a half circle over here. 2, and then right heel lead half circle over here. 3, and you put your left foot down to count number 4. 4. And then we're going to step again. Left foot 1. So there's about twice. It stomps twice. 4 and then 1 again. And you go right toes, lead, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's try it really slow with a slow count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From the end of step 2 here, as you do this, you're going to feel like it's heavier on this foot. And since it's heavier on this foot, so it's easier to move this foot out. We're going to move it out this way. I think we've been doing this in the past few steps, the past few editions of our 3 simple steps. So from here, extend it out, and as you extend it out, you're going to swing your right hand, because this is my right foot. I'm going to swing my right hand down, and I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to put my hand right next to it. Again, from here, the clap of the last, or the last clap of step 2. From here, all the weight is here, remember, and we're going to put this foot back and swing the hand down and bring it back like this. So the hand motion is kind of like you're just drawing an X, a big X mark. All right, so 1 and 2, and from here we're just going to lift our left knee like this, like how we did the first step, like this, but this time we're just facing forward like this. And as we do this, we lift our hands like this. So if you just lift it up straight away like this, it's fine. But if you turn it like this, do a quick twist up. Just imagine from here, you're gonna grip, and then you twist up so that the palms are kind of facing the sky again. So from here, the palms are facing the sky, and you grip and twist up so that the palms are facing the sky again. Twist outward. Okay, there's no way you can twist inward. Okay, twist outwards. That's when it goes up with the knee. Okay, looks like this. Again, and we're gonna punch down. As we punch down, the right knee goes up like this. Now I'm going to do this on the other side, on the left side, so that you so that we repeat the steps, but on the other side. Okay. From here, just going to move the left foot back. So from here, you got to shift the weight down, extend, back here. It's back here. Left hand is back on the side, and then this time your right knee goes up. The hands are doing the same motion as the previous. So as the right knee goes up, your hand goes up, and you're going to punch down like this. Okay, let's try that again. From the clap, extend 1, 2, so it's both at the side. 3, left knee up, hands up, punch down. 4, right knee up, and shift weights. Shift your weight. You're going to lean a little bit to this side so that, see, I can lift my left foot. Okay, go 1, 2, and then 3. This time is the opposite knee. 3 and 4. Okay, let's do this by count. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's nice if you can just hunch a little bit. In dance, if you hunch a little bit, sometimes it looks nicer. Okay, let's try to put everything together. This time I'll do it really slow first. Let's see how it goes. Remember, if it's too difficult at this point, then rewind, watch it again, don't give up, and just be patient. Patience helps us to learn better as well. Okay, let's go. What's the first step here? All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I do this twice in the sequence. Then let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the clap, remember, it's heavier here, you feel heavier here, you feel like this foot is easier to move. So let's move this foot. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope that this video is helpful, and hope these steps are not too difficult. If anything's too difficult, again, you can always leave a comment in our Facebook or on this YouTube channel as well. Thank you for watching, and keep trying.